Hello and welcome to another edition of Safety First. I'm Todd Thomas, and today I'm joined by the Troy FFA Chapter. And today on Safety First, we're going to learn about electrical safety. What is your name?
Katie.
Katie, I have here a standard home electrical outlet. How many volts do you think run through this?
I have no idea.
Take a guess.
15.
15? What about you?
45.
45? What about over here?
30.
Okay, that may be right, it may be wrong, we're going to find out. And I see that you're holding a balloon there. Are you afraid of that balloon?
No.
No? Do you think that that balloon could harm her in any way?
No.
We'll find out that too, and much more today on Safety First.
Brittany, how many volts of electricity is in a standard household wall outlet?
Maybe 75?
Students, there is 120 volts of electricity in a standard wall outlet, but yet it's something that mom and dad didn't teach you when you were an infant, and we're around this every single day of our life. What's inside a wall outlet? 120 volts, and it's extremely deadly. We do need to teach you about the wall outlets, but we need to start before you're in high school. Adam, take the key. You shove the key into that wall outlet right there. Try to push it in there.
There we go.
Oh, yeah, shove. It won't go in there, will it?
No.
Now, Abby, you hold this one. I want you to take a key from Adam there and try to shove it in there. Psst. Now, did you notice that yours went in, though, and Adam's wouldn't? There's a difference between these two outlets. They look very similar, but Adam, you had a tamper-resistant outlet. You cannot stick a key or anything into the slot. Where Abby had a standard wall outlet, the 120 volts that's in there is the #1 killer.
So basically 60 cents can save a life.
That's right.
What can you tell us about wet locations?
Well, ground fault outlets. You want to use a ground fault outlet in all what locations, your bathroom, your kitchen, your outdoor outlets, garage outlets. #1 way to protect us from 120 volts is 3 letters, GFIs. Whether it's a ground fault circuit breaker, ground fault outlet, ground fault drop cord, great way in a wet location to protect people from 120 volts electricity.
So let's say a child's in a bathtub and a clock radio falls into the tub with the child and it's not on a GFI. What would happen?
Well, what will happen there is those circuit breakers on that feeding that power, that's a 20 amp or a 15 amp, and it won't shut the power off. Kind of like with the hot dog up here, it just kept burning and the red light bulb stayed on. With a GFI, it senses that as a ground fault, shuts the power off in a fraction of a second to save that life. Kaylee? Todd asked you if this balloon could hurt you, and you said, no, I don't think so. Well, students, these Mylar balloons are actually aluminum foil painted balloons. And sometimes the toy store or the flower shop will attach a ribbon that's made out of the same material. Well, that's also Mylar, which is metal. So imagine if you were walking along and your balloon touched a bare wire. Kaylee, I don't think that would be good, would it?
No.
No.
Okay, gang, so what did we learn today? Well, we learned that the standard electrical outlet in a home has how many volts?
120, Todd.
That is correct. And if you're going to have an electrical outlet near water, what do you need?
A GFI.
Awesome. We'd like to thank Kyle so much for coming out for an excellent safety demonstration on electricity. And on behalf of the Troy FFA Chapter, I'm Todd Thomas. And always remember, safety first.